Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Palat iwe pon kandai fu arlak metric ton dewïong balati bean lalap haki South Liki district. Ki barius pa bha dewïong ha ke jila katkum ka jingjurip nasun kabalale da ka company bapaunam jong ka jingjurip ba jurip da ki drone ka karuda. Ya ganila penpau da justice retired B.P Katakey ubade ukli jong ka Iing Bishar balathau ya ka one man committee. Hadian ba ula penya ya ka jingyalang ha ka sit ho ding haba kren shikilat pathai khubor Katakey ula ong. Ya ka kaipot jong ka jingjurip nasun balale da ka karuda la depan aiti bar katkum ka kaipot ha ki South Liki district East Janti Hills South West Khasi Hills West Khasi Hills but South Garu Hills. Kilalap tang kendiat palat ya ka iway point kendai pu arlang metric ton kiway pat ki dewïong ki badon ha u conventorial. Ngala kerpat ya ki ban ai katu kat ne ka jingshai ka banga kmi lenti mentai ka sngi nila shai. Kumta namar kata kat kum ka jingong jongki lan na u dewïong balabu jingtho ki don shu ki dewïong ki bala banyo hapo ka jingjengai ka ba shi kilometer. Kumta ha ka jingya kran menta kasngi ngala kerpat ya ki deputy commissioner bar ki nongpet jengkit nat pulin ban kham husiar halor ka jingdon dewïong lan na uni dewïong uba iway pon kendai pu arlang metric ton ula ong. Katakey un aiti ya ka kaipot jong sya ka Meghalaya High Court da ka ba pensyong nongrim ya ka ni ka kaipot survey bad ka jingsyam kelum jong ya ka jinglong jingman jong ka jingti dewïong be an ha ka jila. Katakey ula penpau ru ba unu dewïong ubalalap lan na ka jakabu dewïong balabu kerpang da ka CIL udai uba be an. Nga penken mau biang ba unu dewïong ubalam lan na dewïong ubadon haki jakabu dewïong balabu kerpang da ka CIL udai dewïong balati be an bat hab ban shim kya kat kum ka an MMDR kabamut hab ban register ya ki FIR hab ban kurup ya dewïong. Kapla tingka jong ka jila watang ka weiru kan net syaki nongti dewïong. Ula benrap syusyu. Ula pentip syusyu bayi ki laisen bala ban ai la dep ban ai bala ai ru sasau teli baro kilong prateli. Nagi prangut la ai jingbit ban penek pensa ya ka maryang syaki laingut bat prangut idang hab banyo ya ka jingbit ban penek pensa ya ka maryang. Na kita kilai teli ki project penkhut maryang ka wei kelasdang ya ka jingtrai kam jongki.
Discuss today's proceeding rather was for having the discussion on the various steps taken for implementation of NGT's order as well as the Supreme Court order and also various orders passed by the Honorable High Court, because High Court has also passed certain orders from time to time. I had two meetings. Yesterday also I had a meeting with Garoda people who were entrusted with the job of conducting the aerial survey. And that aerial survey was in respect of around 730 or 40 square kilometer. And area identified was on the basis of the coordinates of the inventoried coal earlier found within 1 kilometer radius, therefore. So therefore, though the 4 districts that survey was conducted, the area-wise, the square meter in terms of square kilometer is a huge area in every district. But we concentrated only around little over 700 square kilometer. And that report has been submitted. That report says that was the whole purpose was to find out whether there was any other coal other than the inventoried coal which has already been shifted to the CIL designated depot and seized under the MMDR Act. According to the report, in 4 districts, that is East Jaintia, Southwest Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills and South Garo Hills district, they found little over 1.92 lakh metric ton of coal other than the inventoried coal. I have I have asked them to furnish certain clarification, which I am expecting today or by tomorrow. I have asked them to furnish me those clarification by today. I hope that by the end of the day I will get it. So therefore, according to them, other than inventoried coal, there are more coal available within 1 kilometer. So therefore, in today's discussion, I have requested the Deputy Commissioners and Superintendent of Police of the concerned district as well as all concerned departments to be more vigilant about the availability of coal other than this 1.92 lakh metric ton coal. Based on this report, survey report, I will submit my report to the Honorable High Court. What would be my impression on this report? Because I have to give my impression on this report, which I cannot share with you right now unless I submit the report and unless the High Court make it public. So fact remains that the survey report conducted by Garoda, they found additional 1.92 lakh metric ton of coal in 4 districts in the state of Meghalaya.
So, logically, it means that there was illegal extraction of coal.
Any coal found other than in CIL designated depot is illegal. Any coal. After the ban was imposed by the NGT, which has been confirmed by the Supreme Court, Supreme Court has said that there cannot be red hole mining, means illegal mining, unless the mining is allowed under the provisions of MMDR Act. Where I have been told today in today's proceeding that 4 prospective licenses have already been issued. Another 4 has also been granted. Total 8. Out of 8, in respect of 3, environmental clearance has been granted. The 5 are yet to get the environmental clearance. And out of those 3 environmental clearance granted projects, 1 has started their operation. That's what I've been informed today.
So, in today's discussion, was there any time that you sought clarification also from the state government that where was this 1.92? Even though you have clearly stated that apart from inventoried coal, anything found outside of the CIL depots and all, it's illegal. However, from the state government, have they given any sort of clarification that what exactly were these extra coal?
Why should I ask the government to clarify? Because I am here because of the High Court, as per the High Court's order. These surveys, everything is being conducted because of the direction issued by me from time to time. And based on these reports, I will scrutinize those reports. I will have my own interpretation of this report and inform the High Court. And High Court definitely will take appropriate action thereafter. But I am reiterating, any coal other than the coal found available in the CIL designated depots is illegally mined coal. And action has to be taken under the MMDR Act, means FIRs have to be registered, coal has to be seized, the entire coal has to be put to auction, subject to the permission to be granted by the respective courts of law, and the entire sale proceed will go to the state exchequer. Not a single funding will go to the coal